Okay, this is a quick tutorial on how to get everything set up to use the Zword application on an ESP32 development board. First thing that you want to do is go into your search engine of choice and download Arduino IDE. Download that version for whatever operating system you use. Then, next up, once you have it installed, you open it up. And you will not see this one, but you go to the options, settings or preferences, and down below it says additional boards manager URLs. You copy the links from the video description and put it here and press OK. The next thing that you want to do is go to Tools, Board, and select Boards Manager. Type in ESP32 and download that one. So you click on install and then wait until it's finished. After that, you may need to restart the Arduino IDE. I don't remember anymore, but just restart it and you should be good to go. The next thing that you might want to do is plug in your microcontroller into a USB port, then go to Tools, go to Port, and select the USB serial port that will be shown. There may be multiple, you just need to try. Just select the one that seems okay. Then on Tools, Board, there's a huge list of boards. Either you find directly the one that you use, or you choose ESP32 dev module or whatever is the closest. I suppose if you have a ESP32 Vroom and you choose that one, might be trial and error, a bit of Googling. But for me, I choose this board as that's the one that I have. And I also needed to change the upload speed to this number because I could not connect using that one, so I used this one. The next thing that we need to do is to download the ESP32 BLE keyboard library. You will find it in the second link that I posted in the video description. Scroll down until you see the latest mark and download the zip file. Go back to the Arduino IDE, sketch, include library, add zip library. You select the file, hit open. I will not do it since I already have it installed. Whenever you're watching this video, you may need to apply a little fix to that library. You can do that by going into Sketch, Show Sketch folder. Then you want to go into the Arduino folder, Libraries, ESP32 BLE keyboard library, and in this file, BLE keyboard.cpp, you open it. With whatever software you want to. And what you want to do is to look for HID. No. Manufacturer. And what you want to do is for the device manufacturer, you type in .c_str open close. You will see the code in the GitHub of the Zword application in the needed libraries section. You also need to change another line, which you will find with BLE device init device name, you add .c_str bracket open bracket close. Now you save that file and you should be good to go, and the sketch will not fail. Since you will not have the Zword sketch loaded, you go to new sketch, or you already have a new sketch. You open the Zword Swift Write GitHub, and you can just simply hit Ctrl A, Ctrl C, delete everything that's in there, and paste. Then you can click on upload. There we go, it worked. Now it is going to upload. Sometimes you are not able to upload code to the board, and that might be that you need to press one of the buttons which are on the ESP board. There might be a button labeled boot, and this one needs to be pressed prior you can upload, but probably the best you do in that case is Google or ask ChatGPT or something. It's pretty helpful in that regards. Now we let it upload. I already have the left Swift Write controller turned on. What you want to also activate is the serial monitor, which you can see here now. I will restart the script. So you see starting, scanning, scanning, found the right, subscribe, and then we are connected. And once I press a button, you can see the buttons that have been detected and sent. That's all you need to do. I hope it worked. Have fun, and maybe see you the next time.